Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to connect Lexus RX 350 to Garage Updated. Start by checking your garage opener compatibility and gather the garage remote and vehicle key fob. Turn the RX 350 onto accessory mode, then locate the Home Link or Garage Program button in the rearview mirror or overhead console. Follow the vehicle prompts, use the remote for teaching mode, and test the door operation once programming finishes. In this video, I will show how to connect Lexus RX 350 to Garage Updated. Prepare by parking close to the opener and setting the vehicle to accessory mode. Inspect the garage opener for a Learn or Program button and have a ladder ready if the button is on the motor head. Clear old Home Link pairings if needed, and keep the vehicle ignition on during the full programming sequence to avoid interruptions. In this video, I will show how to connect Lexus RX 350 to Garage Updated. Begin by pressing and holding the chosen Home Link button until the light blinks, then use the handheld remote to teach the code. If your opener uses a Learn button, press it on the motor and immediately return to the vehicle to complete the sync. Test the Home Link button several times and repeat the process for additional garage doors if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.